Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Lexus NX20 Sport. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Leather interior, sunroof, blind spot assist. Come around to the back of the vehicle here. Got the Lexus Sport and NX20 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Our rear seats here. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side next. Driver door controls here. This vehicle does have memory seats, so you can set and customize however you'd like, and easily have the car remember those settings, so it'll automatically adjust the seat and steering wheel accordingly for multiple users if you'd like. So there's the driver's seat there. Now we've got our steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 45,747. And we have a push button ignition. So here's our Lexus display. You can see the radio, backup camera. And you can control that display using the command module right down here. Turn to select, push down to actually make your selection, back button, menu. Below your display, you've got a built-in clock right there, as well as the climate controls. Shifter here, as well as dial to adjust for different sport modes. Yeah, really sharp vehicle. If you're interested in seeing any photos, getting additional information about this vehicle or any others on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.